In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create account Sendwave. By the end, you'll have a brand new account ready to use. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and your mobile phone nearby since you'll need it to receive a verification code. Start by opening your Sendwave app on your phone. If you haven't used it in a while, it's a good idea to update the app first so the screens match what you see here. On the welcome screen, tap Sign Up to begin creating your account. You'll first be asked for your full name. Enter your legal name exactly as it appears on your official documents. This helps with identity checks later and keeps your transfers smooth. Next, type in your email address. Use an email you can access easily. This is where important notifications and receipts may be sent. Now tap the small flag icon next to the phone field. This lets you pick the correct country code. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to find your country, for example, United States. Once you've selected the right country code, enter your mobile number. Double check it for accuracy and make sure it can receive SMS messages since a verification code will be sent there. You'll see a prompt that says, "Where are you sending first?" Tap that, then choose the country you plan to send money to. This helps personalize your setup and show the most relevant options from the start. Before moving on, check the box on the screen. This usually confirms you agree to the app's terms and policies. It's always worth skimming those so you understand how your data is used and what to expect with transfers. When you're ready, tap Sign Up. A verification code will be sent to your phone number. When it arrives, enter the code exactly as shown. If it doesn't come right away, give it a moment, ensure you have signal, and check for any autofill suggestions from your device. Next, you'll create a PIN. Choose a secure PIN that you'll remember, but that others won't guess easily. Avoid simple patterns like repeating digits or your birth year. Enter your PIN, select Create PIN, then re-enter the same PIN to confirm. Tap Confirm PIN to lock it in. You should now see a confirmation that your account has been created. That's it, your Sendwave account is ready. From here, you can explore the app and get familiar with the interface. If you followed along, you're all set to start using Sendwave confidently and securely.